did you like the movie?
Good movie, but the ending you could have done better, dude.
All right.
Yeah, Tunkar and Joel.
What about
Good
you?
movie. It was could have done better.
What could have been better?
The story could have been, telling would have been better. I like the VFX.
And who do you think Dave is?
Dave Ranveer Singh.
What about you?
The effects are really good.
Uh-huh.
And I loved Moni Roy. She is the highlight of the entire movie. The dialogues are worse. I didn't like the dialogues. And yeah, it's funny to see Deepika on the background as Ranveer's mom.
You think like what they could have done better with the storytelling? Like
Yeah,
I mean,
definitely the storytelling.
Bollywood should rise above the love stories and make it like bigger and better, like the way the superhero movies are in the US. Like
Yeah,
you know,
that
they
could
save
have
the
been
world, not
done.
their love.
Yeah, that could have been done, but maybe we can expect it in the next part where Dave comes into picture. Maybe he will save the world instead of his love.
All right, thank you.